Sarkar. What's your name?
I am Deeparna Talukdar.
Where are you came from?
I am from Bhaina West. And you?
I came from Bogula Moddopara. What's up?
I am well. And you?
I'm also well.
You look so well.
Thanks.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gardening and also reading few kind of storybook. And your?
I love to do dancing and also painting.
Oh, that's good. What's your school name?
My school name is Bhaina Joshidamani High School. And you?
My school name is Haran Chandra Sharash Chandra Sri Krishna Balika Vidyapit Bogula Nodia.
Oh, nice.
How old are you?
I am currently 17 years old. And you?
I am 16 years old.
Oh, you seem younger than me. What is your future plan?
Nothing. I am trying to be good, but something else. And your?
I am planning to become a good doctor, and I try my best.
Okay, that's good. And
what is your favorite color?
my favorite color is blue. And your?
I love black and white.
Wow. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English, definitely, and also I love Bengali and geography. And your?
My most favorite subject is geography, and also I like Bengali.
Oh, nice.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Have
Take
a
care.
good day. Take care.
Bye.
See you.